Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Open a browser or YouTube to test if other apps are loading properly. Step 2. Update WhatsApp. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for WhatsApp. If you see an update button, tap it. Outdated versions can cause display issues. Make sure you haven't muted the person whose status isn't showing. Your status visibility is set correctly so others can see yours too. Step 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Android only. Go to WhatsApp, App Info, and tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data. It will delete all WhatsApp data. Step 4. After all, just restart your device. A simple restart can sometimes refresh WhatsApp and fix temporary bugs. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.